this one's a biggie because get a load of this number. We've sold well over 66,000 of these, and now there's no reorder. If you look on QVC.com, you're going to see 155 five-star reviews, a retail value of $120 that you're getting home for $64.99. Clarks collection, so think the most beautiful leathers, ruched permanently, which you can't do with like a stiff run-of-the-mill leather. It has to be something sourced beautifully. $21.66 on Easy Pay. Half and whole sizes, medium and wide widths, up to 12 medium, 10 wide. It's A523275. I'll take you through colors. This is called black. I want you to see the side of this. Look how cool this side is right here. Comfort, 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 whip stitching, goring, a lot to talk about. That's your black. Then we have it for you in dark brown. Fewer than 300 remain in dark brown. And then we also have it in the navy, which is the most limited, only 100 remain. We actually started with 7 colors. That's how popular this has been. This is really heritage influenced, out of the box, comfortable. $21.60 on an Easy Pay.
When you think of Clarks, you do think of heritage, you think of craftsmanship, and that's everything that we have in this boot. That Caroline is the outsole. We're giving you that ribbing and that tread, but we're also giving you some flex in that outsole. That's rice husk fleck that we infuse in that outsole just to give it more of an organic, natural feel, a little bit over an inch there. Then you have that amazing leather. Like you were saying, Julia, this is super soft, giving you that ruching. If we did not have quality leather, you cannot get those amazing details. Kind of like a pleating there. Great toe shape. You're getting an inside zipper that's tonal there. So easy on, easy off. We back all of our zippers, so no pinching or rubbing. On the other side, you're getting a little bit of hardware. You're getting a gore panel, little stud detail. And then that stitching, again, the hand of Clarks. That's what we call all of those handcrafted details, all lined in there in a microfiber suede lining you were showing. And then inside is that removable ultimate comfort footbed. So if you need to put it in orthotic, you can, but we're giving you all of these comfort ingredients. So you're getting targeted cushioning where you need it most, right at your heel, underneath the ball of your foot, and at your arch. And I have a higher arch, so I really appreciate having all of that underfoot cushioning. So if you don't have that everyday boot, and in the Northeast, you still need your boots, this is gonna be that perfect one because again, it's just a little bit over an inch. You're wearing it with your jeans, you know, a cupped up jean. You're wearing it with your leggings. You're wearing it with tights. If you need a great ankle boot, and this, I mean, look at all this flexibility and durability. It's really a great one.
Right out of the box, it's like this. Right out of the box, it's flexy, it's soft, it's malleable. There's a lot of textural interest to it. And the colors are really rich and saturated. So this is your navy. Look at that contrast stitching. Look at how gorgeous this ruching is. Okay, that's your navy. Then I have it for you in dark brown. This is a great one. Brown, I mean, you know the Pantone color of 2025, Mocha Mousse. So if you're rocking your browns, you know I love to rock a brown, then this is a great boot to add to your collection. Maybe you already have a lot of black boots. Think about bringing in a dark brown. But if you need a new black boot, here we go. We have it for you right here in the black. Half and whole sizes, medium and wide widths. I love this with like a long denim skirt and tights right now. I think that'd be really, really cute. I love this with your favorite like cuffed up jeans or ankle jeans. It'd be really, really cute. And even if you're wearing like a straight leg pant, you still get a really nice silhouette in that toe shape, even if you can't see all this gorgeousness going on. But look how great it looks on a person. Like that is, there it is. There it is.
Perfect. Look again, that ruching, just all of that heritage handcrafted looks. You have a little bit of hardware there. She has her cuffed up jean with it. You see that tread and that ribbing on the outsole, also those flex. Again, all of these things, I mean, we could have done just plain leather. We could have given you tonal stitching, but everything about this boot really just makes it different maybe than something you have in your wardrobe. This is going to be, instead of wearing, you know, that sneaker or instead of wearing that higher boot, it's that perfect ankle boot because we're giving you just a little bit over an inch. And look at all that tread. Look at all of those flex grooves as well. So like you said, Julie, this is going to be out of the box comfort as soon as you get it home.
I love this boot. There's something that gives me like cool girl, little urban or like city look to it. Just something really unique, something different, something beautiful, but will never go out of style at the same time. It's not like too contemporary and out there, out of the box. Something that is very like fashion forward, no matter your age. But really what is important is all that comfort underfoot, all that flexibility. This is the dark brown. Now the dark brown excuse me, has been very, very popular. I want to show the dark brown to you next to the black, so you can definitely see that this is a dark, 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 rich cocoa chocolate. This is a saturated black, and then here is that navy. So you can see all three colors next to each other. How many in the navy? 80 remain in the navy.
Oh.
Dark brown, not many more than that, and it's flying out of here. And then we have that black. Half and whole sizes, medium and wide widths, which means you get to customize how it fits, how it looks. Easy in, easy out with that zipper. It's just, I kind of feel like it's a must-have, and it's a transitional boot. Like, this is not your
Right.
winter boot because it's a little bit, you know, shorter on the shaft. It's not that tall boot, but it's something that'll take you through the end of winter, definitely into spring.
That's right. And it's not too heavy or clunky. So you're getting just that right amount of grip and traction underfoot. It is a rubberized outsole, but it's not that heavy, clunky boot. It really is more of that casual boot that you can wear again with your jeans, or you can even put a little cabin sock and scrunch it down with your leggings, right?
Yeah.
And a big puffer, you're good to go. But if you don't have anything like this, a great ankle boot, a great everyday ankle boot, you know, maybe you're a commuter and you really want something comfortable.
Right.
This is going to be that boot. And again, just getting all those beautiful details in the leather. I mean, look at how super soft
super
this
malleable
leather is.
Look at this price though. I mean, $29 off the QVC price, yes, but retails at $120 and we're $55 different than that, and it's all this gorgeous, genuine, supple, soft leather. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this one. You really can't. It is an easy pay of $21.66. That's 3 easy pays. Hey, use that Q card, bump up those easy pays, man. Now you're looking at 5 easy pays, sweetens the deal. But you have 30 days to get it home, try it on, love it or return it. But you really are going to fall in love with the Caroline Orchid. 66,000 of these have been picked up. So it really is that heritage influence. This is like Clarks DNA, if there ever was one. But no reorder. When it's gone, it's gone.
Right.
155 5-star reviews. That's 155 people who got this home, took to QVC.com to instill in you the confidence in how much they loved this boot. A523275. I have it for you in the black. Very, very popular has been the dark brown. And then very limited is going to be your navy. Half and whole sizes, medium, wide widths. Get it home for $21 and change. All right, so this is still to come.